ValmetSchlieren built in 1966. Modernized in 2005. It's also a depot of the hospital, but one ride is enough. The numbers is V755 because this 6 purses for 80 grams and this variation for this year.
Yeah.
The papers and
Yeah.
this feels generic, but these buttons are not the worst.
Yeah.
And then we filmed one coming from late 98 and the beginning of 2000.
Yeah.
So that's three important ones.
Yeah.
And 3 more boring ones.
No, even more, I think.
Yeah.
At least 5.
But these 3 are the only ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't have more. There are no more.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Thanks so much. And then just the rest.